TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from the shores of Delray Beach, Florida. Looks like we have dodged Ilsa out there and just getting some remnants of it. So that's a cool thing. But that's not going to be the case for HQ, which looks like they might get the brunt of the storm out there. But in any event, let's go take a look at our 2 p.m. update. Right now we got a mixed bag out here. The only mix in the bag is the NDX 100, which is up 12 points, trading out of 14,740. Otherwise, all the other U.S. indices trading lower. The Dow 288, the S&P's off by 20, Russell's off by 37. Let's go take a look at our daily indice charts out here. We begin by looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Upper left-hand panel, what you're going to see here is that this could be or should be bar number 9 of a TD9 count for the cash indice. And what price has done is tested and rejected its key level of support. 34,458 is that area. You're going to want to watch that. If price closes above that, no damage done. Again, 34,458. In the case of the S&P 500, it already has completed its TD9 count top. It did that on Friday. Today's a higher high. That does not negate that pattern. But what the S&P has also done is pulled back and tested and rejected its green oscillator and change line, currently printed at 43.13. As long as price holds above that, the signal remains neutral to bullish. The NDX 100 also with a TD9 count top, but its high came on the bar following bar number 9. That was on Friday, and price is trading above that high. If we see it close above that high, by the way, is priced at 14. 738.14. 14. 738.14. That's the number. We're trading above that now. That says that pattern is negated. That tells us about a strong momentum move to the upside inside the NDX 100. If the NDX 100 has not topped, then the market has not topped. If we take a look at the Russell 2000, it's a hard call. It's really just been trading sideways out here. There's nothing pattern-wise other than trading sideways that I would take a look at. The semis, which are down by about 18 points right now, doing nothing more than testing its green oscillator and change line. That would keep it in bullish configuration. The Dow Jones Transport's below red OUL and testing its breakout level. So the key area to watch here in the transports is going to be 14,772.50. Closes below that level, 2 consecutive closes say that 13,878 would be next up on its list. NASDAQ Composite, very much like the NDX 100, Wilshire 5,000, also a TD9 count, but price testing and holding that oscillator and change line. Folks, when you test and hold a green oscillator and change line, and if you close above it, conditions will remain bullish or neutral at worst, most certainly not bearish. Stay tuned. David White's up next, Power Trading Hour. Tom O'Brien will take us on home. Have a terrific Tuesday, folks.